Okay, looking at number 29, you've got a contractor dealing with a rectangle, and it tells us that this area is 4,000. So we know that the area is 4,000. Now, when you keep reading on, it tells us on that last sentence that one of the dimensions is x. So let's just say we let that dimension, that could be the width, x is the width, which means I need to figure out something for the length. So I have length times the width, which is x. And if I get L by itself, that's going to be 4,000 divided by x equals the length. So instead of writing it as L, I can also write it as 4,000 over x. Now, when I keep reading, it says that I need to do a cost function. So C of x really is represented by the exterior walls plus the interior. There's a different cost for exterior. So it also says that there's a divider here. You would have to kind of assume it's parallel in order to solve this. So that you really only have that one interior wall. Everything else is going to be exterior. So basically you have 4 exterior walls, and you need to find the perimeter of those. So once I know the perimeter, it's going to be $175 times that perimeter. So I've got x plus x. This is this exterior plus this exterior, plus I've got this exterior and this exterior. I'm going to probably need some more space here. So I'm going to add the 4,000 over x plus 4,000 over x. That's really the perimeter of the exterior. Then I also have to consider the interior is $125 per linear foot. Well, I only have one exterior wall, so that's going to be 125x. Now, really all you have to do is simplify. So I've got 175 times the quantity. That's going to be 2x plus 8,000 over x plus 125x. I can keep going. When I distribute this 175, that's going to give me 350x, plus when I do that, I think it is 1,400,000 all over x. And I can still combine a little bit more just so that I have it as simple as kind of possible. And that's going to be my C of x. So that would be my cost of $175 for the exterior walls plus $125 for the interior. And that's your final answer.